everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do Jailhouse rice. So I'm going to be trying this for the first time, so I'm not sure how it's going to go, but we'll see. First thing you need to do is get you out a skillet and put a pound of ground beef in it and a pound of pork sausage ground. It doesn't have to be pork, I guess it could be turkey sausage if you want that. Okay, then what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to cook this about halfway, but I'm not. I think I'm going to go ahead and add the onion and the celery. Well, I guess that'd be fine. You're supposed to put it in the oven after this, so I guess I can finish cooking there. So you just need to cook these loose. And then we can start with the rest of the recipe. Also, you need to have your oven preheated to 350 degrees. so I went ahead and took the meat mixture out of the skillet, and I'm letting that drain because I didn't want the fat, the excess fat in my little rice dish that I'm making. And so while that's draining, we're going to take 2 cans of cream and celery soup, and we're going to mix with 2 cans of chicken broth, which the cans of broth are supposed to be 14.5 ounces each. So y'all know me, I didn't have any canned. I'll just use my bouillon. So I made 30 ounces of broth. Okay. And you're supposed to mix this together with a whisk. Okay, that's what we're doing. Alright, so now we're going to switch over to the skillet again. Okay, so now we're back at the skillet, at the stove. And you need to take your meat mixture, put it back in the skillet. You need to take your celery and broth mixture and mix in. Now remember, we're going by the recipe, so hopefully it turns out good. Alright, and the next step, let's stir that together. Okay, the next step is we are going to, we need to go ahead and add our garlic powder, which is about 1/2 teaspoon. I'm just going to eyeball it. I think I put more, closer to a teaspoon, but that's fine. More garlic is better. And let's stir that up. Okay. And then you need to add uncooked rice. You need to add 2 cups. I'm using parboiled. So there's 1 cup, 2 cups. So now I've got my 9x13 pan. I've already got it sprayed and ready to go. So I need to get my skillet over here. I need to pour this in. And it's already got the rice added to it. Hopefully it's all going to turn out good and well, because I don't know about this. We'll see. Okay. Now we have to put it in the 350-degree oven. You need to cover it with foil. And I would advise you, just in case, to put it on a baking sheet. That way if it decides to boil over, you don't have a messy oven. Alright, I'll stop. Oh, and we have to bake it for an hour to an hour and 20 minutes. Okay, y'all. The Jailhouse rice is complete. It did really, really good. It smells great. I was a little bit concerned with the rice liquid ratio, but it seems like it did just fine. The rice is not sticky. Of course, I use parboiled, which it tends to not be sticky anyway. I mean, it can get that way, but usually doesn't. And I tasted just a little bit of it, and it tastes pretty good. So this looks like a winner, and you can feed a lot of people for really cheap. Okay, see y'all next time.